Time for another What's in the Box. This just came here today from Cult TV, man. And something that's I've seen a lot of other people get before me. Some people have done videos already, but I haven't even opened it up yet. Here, what's in this box? And it is from X Plus. We have packing paper, receipts. We have Revenge of the Creature is here, finally. So let's get that out of the way. Let me get the plastic wrap off and I will take a better picture of this. But we have the 1/8 scale model kit, Revenge of the Creature from X Plus. It's here, finally, and excited. So let's get this open. Let's get it up and running. Opened up. Let's take a good picture. So I don't want to damage this box like I have before. So we have Revenge of the Creature 1/8 scale model kit from X Plus Studios. This is some amazing box art. I absolutely love this box. It looks so good by itself that they need to they may do this, if they haven't, sell that as a print or a poster, because that is fantastic. So here we go. Let's get this open. I have some new stuff going on up here, so let me take a second to get the lighting set up, and I'm going to get this box top off, and we'll get going. All right, there we go. Let's see what we got. So getting the lid off, I'm going to be very careful with this because I don't want to mess this up. All right, what we get in the box. First thing I've noticed, a bag of chains. They need to be painted. Yeah, no, gray plastic. Looks really nice, feels pretty nice. They don't look like they have a ton of like flashing on them or anything. You're gonna have to sand off. So good on that. Here is the base. Base by itself in this really nice green. Universal City Studios, LLC, all rights reserved. This really kind of like chrome green. And it's not really picking up with my camera as well. I think I probably have camera's a little messed up, but it'll work for now. So here's what we have. This is the base. I really like this kind of chrome green look to it. It's not picking up on my camera as well. It's a brighter green than what it looks like on camera, but this is, I love this color. It's more of a chrome green, and it's a lot, I think, brighter than what it's turning out on my camera there. So then we have some bags, some baggies. Let's get these all out. Let's kind of go through these, what we got here. And let me get the instructions, and I'll set this off to the side for a second. So let's start with the instructions. Let's go that way first. So we have instructions, and this is not the deluxe version. This is the standard one that us lowly, just normal YouTubers got. All right, instructions. And as with before, I really like what they're doing with their instruction sheet. They look really cool. So we have this. Let's open it up. Get this big unfolding sheet. It's got all the parts there. Shows you how the chain goes in, how to do the chain, how he goes on the base. Suggested painting scheme is on the back. Get these right leg fins. Lots of little parts there. Really nice instructions. What's coming soon is Dracula, Rhedosaurus, and wow, really like these. Pro tip, the 1955 Revenge of the Creature movie is basically shot in black and white, so the black and white tones should be applied carefully. However, if you wish to use color finish, please refer to the following tips. Paint the edges of the scales on the chest with gold dry brush or color pencil for a realistic finish. Lighten the second, fourth, and seventh rows from the top to create a sense of liveliness and movement. I really like that they talk about the gold tint to that, because that is absolutely what the creature suit looked like. It had some gold in there, and if you look at the box art, it's right, almost spot on what it should look like. I really kind of like that kind of, almost like a gross green. Important, read this first, contact us. We have X Plus There's the instructions. Great instructions. So let's go through some of these. Should we get them all? I think we'll get them all. It's probably breaking everyone's heart right now. And I don't know. Do we like the new lighting system? Is it better? Should it be a little brighter? So all of it is in this awesome chrome green. There's the anchor, the anklets, nameplate, starfish, a lonely little starfish. Beautiful stuff. Nothing so far is broken off. Looks great. Got the anchor part. So what else do we got here? Oh, these details are fantastic. I love this color. It's got that kind of metallic shine to it. I almost need to lighten that down. Looks great. Get your hands, toes, the claws go around there. A really good look at this group. Yeah, I want to check that. There, a little bit. Not washing it out. So we have the feet right up on. I'll pull these off. I want to move this so I can get a better look. Feet, claws. Turn this way. Get a nice look at the detail on that chest piece, the stomach, abdomen area. But these feet are great, and they're not solid, but they feel it's a really nice heft to that plastic. So what we got so far. Ooh, it's gonna be the good one. Got the creature's face in this package. Let's see what's in here. 2 sprues in this bag, I think. I mentioned this before, I think, when ooh, we did have 1 piece that came off, so I don't want to lose that. Okay. 1 piece is off. It's a fin from the creature. So what I did, and it went right there, which is fine. That happens. There's the creature's face. Mouth insert. Back of the creature's head. And the other fin that's right there. So that's that. Get that up there. And this, I mentioned, this was going to say, I mentioned this with Brian's when he was on. I really like these fish. They're supposed to be, I think, like discus almost. And so you could do these in some really cool paint schemes on these fish. So some great fish that go along with this kit. Really like those. Give it a sense of depth. See what else we got. Open up all these. And then again, more beautiful detail. Look at that. Those scales. And I think the seams are going to hide a lot of the problems you might have with trying to putty that out. Well, that remains to be seen. But the way I'm looking at this, I think the way it's parted out, you're not going to have a lot of putty work to do. It's going to look pretty good. That's really, really nice. The chest piece. That. I think I only have 2 more bags of parts. So let's check this. Ugh. Why are these always so hard to do? Okay. No loose parts in here, so we're good. All right. Then we have some legs and arms. And those go on the sides of the leg. I'm right. It's the back. So it looks like a lot of these go together in halves like there. Great sprue. I love that color. You don't get a lot of the shine effect that's on there. I wish you could on camera a little better. And it's more leg pieces, some seaweed or tank weed, if you want to call it that, because he's in the tank. Yeah, wow, what a great kit. This is probably there's a lot of Creature from the Black Lagoon kits out there. This has to be one of the best. It really, really does. What a great piece. What a really cool piece. There's your sprues. There's the detail packed into there. And it's picking up behind. It's some really, really nice, well-produced parts that are probably going to go together like a dream. And I can't believe how good I like. X Plus, you're killing it with these Universal Monster kits. So keep doing it. This is the first. I know there's more coming, and I'm really excited to see all of them. But this first one here, like one of the best I've seen in a very, very long time. All of these parts look amazing. Well done, X Plus. We will see you next time on What's in the Box. Let's get where do the directions go? Here are the directions. Don't want to lose those. Well done, X Plus. That's what was in the box from X Plus. Revenge of the Creature. Pick it up. Get it. I got mine from Cult TV Man. You can get it straight from X Plus, which I think you get it earlier if you get it straight from X Plus, which I might try next time on one of them. I know I have a couple other kits on pre-order. There's some other pre-orders coming up. I'll check those out. Like, I think I have Dracula on pre-order and maybe the Rhedosaurus. But wow, couldn't be happier. Great kit. See you next time, everybody.